Hello, and welcome to this SigningHub training module. In this short video, you'll learn how you can use SigningHub to get documents digitally signed from within your Salesforce environment. The SigningHub for Salesforce app enables you to close deals faster, getting any associated document signed in minutes from anywhere and on any device. Once SigningHub for Salesforce is installed, you can share documents that are ready for signing from the standard Salesforce screens like accounts, opportunities, leads, campaigns, and even custom objects. SigningHub for Salesforce allows you to send any document from your standard Notes and Attachments section. To share a document, click on the button Share using SigningHub. The SigningHub for Salesforce screen now shows the list of documents available with this opportunity. Simply select the document to be signed. You can add recipients from your Salesforce contacts here. Once done, click the Prepare button. You can log in to SigningHub using your Salesforce credentials. You'll then be shown the document. For each signer, you can place a signature field in a desired location on the document. Other fields like name, initials, company and date, etc. can also be added. To automate the document preparation phase, a predefined template can be used to save time, such as a contract template. In this example, we'll add one signature field for an example customer. When ready, click the Share button to send the document for signing. You'll return to the opportunity area where you can track the status of your document in real time. SigningHub notifies the customer via email that they need to review and sign. By clicking on the link in the email, the customer can easily view, fill in, and sign the document using the Navigation tab. As soon as the document has been signed by the customer, the signing status summary is updated inside Salesforce. Unlike other vendors, SigningHub follows the latest European eIDAS requirements, ensuring the greatest security and trust for your signed document. Each user has a unique signing key and long-term signatures are created, ensuring documents can be verified many years into the future. Our adherence to standards ensures your documents can be verified offline because of the embedded signing evidence, saving you time and avoiding the need to rely on the service provider logs for evidence. SigningHub for Salesforce empowers you with all the rich functionality which comes as standard, including signing with unique user keys held on server, smart cards, or mobile devices, flexible user authentication options, parallel or sequential signing, initials and in-person signing, bulk signing, and much more. We discussed a lot of options here. Contact us today to discuss how SigningHub and its flexible, high-trust security features can best meet your business requirements. No other signing platform provides such wealth of options to meet the needs of today and secure your investment for tomorrow. Thank you for watching this SigningHub training video.